In your lordship, may the counsel approach the dais? May it please the court, my name is Saikil, counsel for Srimati Sonali Paul, along with my co-counsel Adil Muhammad. Today, the court shall hear how the appellant was subjected to torture and how it justifies her actions to leave the house. My co-counsel shall further address the need for increase in the compensatory cost. As it pleases the court, I shall now discuss the facts which will be crucial for the case. On 8 December 2003, Srimati Sonali Paul, the appellant in this case, got married to Sri Swapan De, the respondent, and the marriage was solemnized following the Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. Soon after the marriage, there was a demand of dowry which was raised by the respondent's family. Due to the denial by the petitioner, she was brutally thrashed and she was also not fed for 2 days. This is the reason why she was admitted to Skylark Hospital. The treatment of the appellant was borne by the appellant's family themselves. The demand of dowry was again raised later, and having no other option, the appellant Sonali Paul had to leave with her parents, which was termed as desertion by the respondent in this case. This itself is the issue which I will be dealing. Whether desertion done by the appellant is justifiable, and if so, is it void? So, firstly, she was forced
show any signs of humanity by taking her to hospital. It was the wife's parents themselves who took her to the hospital and paid for the bills. All this, doesn't the judge think that all these shine a light on the negligent behavior of the husband? And okay. Moreover,
yeah. So okay, I agree. But now you're saying me that why she used to consume sleeping pills, especially on the occasion days. Like when there's a family get together or something like that. Excess of sleeping. Yeah.
Okay. We object this on behalf of the client. We object this. The client reiterates that she did not take any sleeping pills. Moreover, there are many symptoms of sleeping pill overdose. There are unsteady gait, sudden burst of euphoria, which comes under symptoms of sleeping pill overdose, but none of these were actually quoted by the respondent, so it creates a doubt whether she fell unconscious only because of sleeping pill overdose or whether it was because she was subject to patients. The respondent is seeking to destroy the chances of a second marriage for the wife. Now, from the case Master Damandeep Singh versus IMT Ghaziabad Trading Center, where false allegations were again leveled by the husband, it was concluded that one can redress her grievances by taking appropriate proceedings. This is exactly what we seek to accomplish. In conclusion, the appellant is justified to seek damages in the form of monetary compensation from the accused under Section 499. This amount shall be decided by the court. Now, secondly, I would like to further invite the court's attention to the respondent's acts of negligence. First, when he was reluctant to take his unconscious wife to hospital. Second, hesitance to visit her when she was at the hospital. Thirdly, refusal to pay for the hospital fees. Fourthly, and most importantly, refusal to pay the cost of maintenance. It was concluded by previous rulings that the appellant is guaranteed to receive 1,000 rupees from the respondent. This was not, however, met. As a result, the wife was dependent on her parents for over a decade. Moreover, it was stated in the Section 25 of Hindu Marriage Act that the compensation shall be determined by the deeds of the parties involved. I have already mentioned 4 questionable deeds of the...
So you just need to file again a case, so that will be coming to you that you people are responsible. The punishment will be given for the husband also, but you people will also negligent for not letting the court to know that you are not getting the minimum because of fiction.
We let the court know. The wife's father told in the cross-examination the money was paid only for some time and after that it was not paid. Wait, I'll take 26, paragraph 26, yeah. Last. DW2 stated that for few months the petitioner deposited maintenance as ordered by the court, and thereafter the petitioner stopped paying any maintenance.
So when you are talking about the defamation, shall I?
Definition, it was right to repetition.
So when you are talking about the defamation, 499 if you go to IPC 499 or 500
Yeah.
section, all these sections, it's actually related to IPC, Indian Penal Code, section 499 or 500. So you need to check. Now again, once go through your case law and find it out where it is mentioned, which act or which section of IPC, and once go through it, it will help you a lot.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
And work on the defamation point, like that one can use secure good marks, like the defamation. Like our earlier teams which we have judged, they are not used the defamation. This is what. Thank you for attending to this.